We are pleased to show you the 2017 Q7. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, tachometer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.